Welcome! If you use Telegram stickers a lot, there's a simple setting that can make your experience much smoother. It's called Dynamic Pack Order, and when it's turned on, Telegram automatically rearranges your sticker packs based on how often you use them. That means your favorite stickers always stay right at the top, saving you time and making chats more fun and efficient. Let's walk through how to enable it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three-line icon that opens up Telegram's main navigation panel. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to your account and app preferences, where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Now, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls everything related to how your messages, stickers, and chat interface behave. Once you're inside chat settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Stickers and Emoji. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Dynamic Pack Order. Simply toggle it on, that's it. From now on, Telegram will automatically reorder your sticker packs based on your usage. The more you use a specific pack, the higher it will appear in your list. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference, especially if you have a lot of sticker packs installed. If you enjoy using stickers to express yourself, this feature helps keep your favorites always within easy reach without any manual sorting. Give it a try and see how much faster your chats become.